Now, we haven't talked about fruit yet. What fruit can we think about planting about this time of year?
Fruit trees and fruit bushes, spring is the best time to be planting these. Now, if we're going to plant something like this tree, we dig a large hole, you dig it up and you put John and his compost number 3, which is a specific compost designed for established plants. And then having done that, you need to stake it. And by staking the tree, you're protecting it against the wind.
Now, I wouldn't have thought of putting a fruit tree into a small pot like that. Is that all right?
It is, yeah, you can plant it into a container like this. You just need to remember that when you're planting it, in the summer it's going to dry out quite quickly, so it'll need watering regularly and maybe a multi-purpose feed every 1 or 2 weeks.
And then we're ready to go. By summer, I'm going to have plenty of fruit off that, am I?
It will produce some fruit, but it's best to be avoided, Brendan. What you need to do is if you just nip off the fruit in the first year, what that does is it means that the tree concentrates on establishing, gets better roots, and then next year you'll get a much better crop.
Now, my family do love strawberries, but surely the beginning of March is too early to be planting them.
Strawberries are actually frost resistant, so if you choose different types of variety and you stagger your planting, you can have strawberries for up to 6 months.
Blimey. I mean, we've got plenty potted up here, but I can't imagine a little pot like this is going to yield much fruit.
It's a small plant now, Brendan, but it'll grow really quickly, and that'll actually give you quite a lot of fruit right the way through the summer.
OK, well, where is the best place to plant strawberries?
Well, strawberries are really versatile, so you can plant them just about anywhere, as long as they're in well-drained, fertile soil, plenty of water and plenty of sun. You can plant them in a raised bed or in different types of pots.
That looks very interesting. What's that?
It's called a strawberry jar. And again, this will give you lots of fruit right the way through the summer, all on its own. Or alternatively, is we've got this, which is a strawberry and herb planter. Ideal for planting strawberries and herbs together, and the best of all is the plants will come again next year. And they just go into the little scoops, nice and solid.
Very nice.
So you've got smaller plants around the outside, on the top, a nice spot plant, something like this rosemary, it'll fit in really well there.
We've got some hanging baskets here. Surely you're not going to tell me that it's possible to put strawberries into one of these?
Strawberries do really well in hanging baskets and they look great, so they're a great feature in the garden, and then when they're hanging down, really easy to pick the strawberries, and the best of all is the slugs can't get them.